Pupils, it has come to my attention that a diamond pickaxe is missing from a chest located in my domain. I'm choosing to turn a blind eye to this on the condition that whomever has taken it returns it before I next log on to the server. Also,
Hey, kittens!
Ah, Jamishu! Well met! Pupils, I trust you've met my cousin Jamishu before. For those who have not, let's just say, gentle sirs, hide your ladies, because he's something of a riz master.
Give me all your kittens.
Roll for persuasion.
A nat 20! Poggers!
Ah, how fortuitous!